Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off captions on YouTube Shorts. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to the YouTube and head on to the Shorts tab. So let's go to youtube.com, and once the website is loaded, here you can see on the left hand side you can see the Shorts option. So click on this option over here, and here Shorts will open. So to turn off the caption, what you have to do is click on the three dot icon on the bottom. So once you click here, once you go ahead and click on this icon, you will see the captions option, and here it says the caption is not available on this video. So now let's search for the videos where the caption is enabled. So after lots of searching, here this one's the video that we have the caption. So here you can see once we click on this caption option, so our subtitle or caption has been turned off. So let's go ahead and do that. So yeah, that's it. That is how you'll be able to turn off the captions for YouTube Shorts. So you can just try that step as well. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any problems, just comment down below and I'll make sure to solve your problem for you.